Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a tryout of the Primark Matte Liquid Lip. So if you saw my previous video, I can leave a link here. I actually picked up the shades that I could possibly buy that were from the store that I went to for the Matte Liquid Lip. From Primark, so I've got 3 shades to try out for you today. So if this is the type of video you like, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it would really help my channel. So let's get into the video. So the colours that I'm going to be trying today, hence why I haven't got any lipstick on, are these 3. So the first one, which I'm going to try, I'm going to do it in sort of light to dark because that makes sense, is this one called Cookie Dough. It looks like that. It's kind of like a peachy colour. It's looking a little bit washed out on screen. But it is like a peachy colour. We've got the lip pencil and the liquid lip as well. So that's going to be first. And then followed by the one called Clueless, which is more of like a pinky shade. So I'm going to be trying that one out. And then we're going to finish off with the darker one, which is the Devotion, which is a really nice Christmassy. Could be match my nails really well. Could look really nice. So yeah, let's open the first packet and we'll get trying this out. Just before we do start, just out of interest, these are £3 each if you're interested in buying. So I'm going to just bring you straight close in so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Right, sorry guys, you are super close right now. So I'm just going to open this one. So obviously inside we have the liner and the lipstick, which looks like that. So I'm going to be giving this colour a go. So I'm going to start off with the liner. Now this colour is very peachy. I can tell right away that it's not the colour for me. Right, so there's the liner done, and then we're going to try the lip. Right, it's not actually that bad. It is quite pale, a lot paler than I'd normally go for. I kind of go for more like a sort of a warmer skin tone colour. This is slightly on the orangey side. Let me know what you think of the colour below and we'll crack on with the next one. Right, so next up we have this one, which is the very first one that I purchased, which is called Clueless. This one I actually picked and I thought it was a really nice colour for me. So let's see how this one looks. So I'm going to start off with the lip pencil. Definitely more my colour. Yes. Right, so go in with the matte liquid lip. I love how these dry as well. They're obviously dry matte, but they feel quite smooth. They don't feel too dry, if you know what I mean. Really good for Primark, I've got to say. But I do actually like this colour. I think it suits me way better. Again, leave me a comment below which one is your favourite. Yeah, and that's that one. So yeah, really like it. That one, again, was the one called Clueless. Right guys, so I've just wiped that off and we're going to go in with the darkest colour. Again, this one is called Devotion and it looks like that. So I'm going to open this and we'll try this one out too. Right, so we're just going to go in with the lip pencil. These lip pencils are really good, by the way. This one's definitely going to be a dark one. So, wow. Right, there we go guys, this is the last one. Leave me a comment below, it just has to be 1, 2 or 3 and let me know which is your favourite. And don't forget they are £3 from Primark, really good. You get the lip liner and the matte liquid lip as well, which I think is an absolute bargain. They feel absolutely great, they're not too drying and brilliant for Primark, especially if you're on a budget. I know I'm always on a budget, so yeah, so that was everything for the video. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do it in the link below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and I'll leave it on the screen and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!